waiting for everybody to join the live stream. Guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up right now. If you hit the thumbs up, you'll get a cookie from me, personally. Don't tell anybody, though. I'm gonna grab my phone so I can check the live chat. My beautiful Samsung Galaxy. Checking the live chat in a brief moment. Give me 1 second.
Ontdek onze warme knitwear.
We need more people. We need more people in the live stream. We need to... Okay, so I'm gonna send some more links, guys, in the Discord. Give me 1 second. Alright, so I think that should be enough. I will stop spamming now. Okay, so... yeah, right. So I'm gonna check how many people are watching right now. 10 people watching. Cool, cool. Keep pressing the thumbs up. Keep pressing the thumbs up. People are gonna come to this video. People are gonna come to this video. We need a big audience for this. This is gonna be a very big analysis for Tesla stock. Hit the thumbs up right now. Spam that button right now. I'm gonna spam that on my own phone right here. 13 people watching. We need more people watching for this one, guys. This is gonna be huge. This is gonna be a huge video. Telling you. More people. Thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up, guys. Come on, hit the thumbs up. It's as if you're doing the push-ups, you know, but like with your finger. Come on. Okay, so I'm gonna check right now how many people are watching right now. Hold on, we have, I think it's 6 right now. 14 people. Cool, cool. We need more people. We need more people. We gotta pump those numbers up. Gotta pump those numbers up. We got 9 likes right now. Come up, hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up. We're almost about to begin with the analysis for Tesla stock. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to get updates for the next live stream. But we need more people to join the live stream. Currently 14 people. We need more people. We are an army. Yeah, I was lying. I'm gonna keep on spamming. Hahaha. We got 16 people in the chat right now. Welcome, welcome to the live stream, guys. We're going to do an analysis for Tesla stock. We're also going to be taking a look at the stock market right now. However, we're going to start with Tesla stock right now. But we need more people to join the live stream. So make sure you hit the thumbs up so that this algorithm is going to take this video and just shoot it up to the moon. See if there are more people right now. 21 people right now. Guys, welcome. We're about to analyze Tesla stock. However, we need a huge amount of people to be watching this. So make sure you hit the thumbs up right now so the algorithm grabs this video, puts it in a rocket made by SpaceX and shoots it up to oblivion towards the moon and Mars potentially. 24 people watching, guys. Hit the thumbs up, guys. We're about to begin. A couple more minutes left, and we're going to go start with this analysis for Tesla stock. We just need a little bit more people, a little bit more patience, guys. You got this. Oh, man, I'm so excited. I'm super excited with this. Futures are down. Tesla has gapped downwards, and oh my gosh, I bought so much Tesla. I literally bought a lot of Tesla. But make sure you hit the thumbs up right now. The algorithm is going to give us more and more people to watch this video. 28 people watching right now. Guys, keep on hitting the thumbs up. This video is going to be displayed towards all the 3,867 subscribers. And then we'll have a huge audience watching this. And if everybody knows that this is about to be the bottom, then everybody buys the stock and will skyrocket towards the moon to $600. make sure you hit the thumbs up right now, guys. Pump it up. Pump those numbers up. These are rookie numbers. Come on. All right, one more minute left, and we're going to start with this analysis. See how many people are watching right now. Currently, we got 26. Oh wait, we got 14 people. We got 29 people watching. Oh my gosh, we're gonna go to the moon. 29 people. All right, you know what? If we hit 30 people, we're gonna start this analysis right away. We are currently at 29 people watching right now. Everybody, make sure you hit the thumbs up. We're gonna pump those rookie numbers up to lucid numbers. Let's go. I'm ready. Are you ready, guys? I am pumping this up. So 32, okay, cool. We're going to start the analysis. We're going to forget about all the 3,000 other subscribers. This video is for you guys, for the loyal people. Okay, so how would I start this? Okay, so here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be taking a look at Tesla stock for the pre-market of the 30th of October, which is going to be a Friday. This is super exciting because we can see that Tesla is at a really low point, which usually is a buying opportunity, since we already discussed that we had gone down significantly and there is a lot of room to the upside left. Now, before we get into this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that. And on top of that, guys, Patreon link is in the description. If you want to support the channel, feel free to do so. That would be awesome. All right, let's start with this analysis. So as you guys can see, we basically went down while the stock market was going up. The reason we went down was basically because the big market caps, Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, Google, etc., they were announcing their earnings, right? So during the day, lots of capital went towards those companies because obviously if they're having earnings, and everybody was so excited about it, but now we know that those companies crashed down. So what does that mean? Lots of capital left those big cap stocks. I'm talking about tens of billions, hundreds of billions left the big market caps because they pumped them up and then they crashed. So that means that there's a potential that this capital will get respreaded, possibly among electric vehicle stocks, NEO stock, Tesla stock. That could happen. All right, so let's just stop being so abstract. Let's look at the technicals. We can see that we have a little bit of bearishness on the 30 minutes. RSI is coming back down. We still have a little bit of bearishness left to go. Right now we are at $406. We could potentially see the $404 hit, which would take us right around there. For Tesla. I'm just going to assume that's going to happen because we do still have a little bit of bearishness left to Tesla right now. But right after that, we're going to see a lot of bullishness. I'm going to show you right now on the 1 hour and the 4 hour coming up. So let's just quickly do that. All right, I'm going to grab that brush, go to the 1 hour, and as we can see, oh wait, I'm wrong. I'm actually wrong. Wow, this is awkward. This is looking like it's bearish. The 1 hour is bearish, so it will hit the 402, 404, and then bounce back. So RSI is going to come lower. This is going to go bearish for a while, and then afterwards we're going to bounce. So the 1 hour is looking more like the 30 minutes than the 4 hours, which usually happens, so that's why it's bearish. We saw a little bit of a bullish move right there. But the markets came down, the futures are down right now, so that explains a lot for Tesla stock right now. So I don't see a lot more to cover for the 1 hour, although we do see that we're going to go to the oversold territory, which usually signifies a bounce for Tesla stock. We saw this right there, we saw this right here. Many more times have we bounced from this point, which makes a lot of sense. Now I'm going to be taking a look at the 4 hours. See what the 4 hours has to say about Tesla stock. Usually the 4 hours has the most interesting stuff to say about Tesla, so let's get ready for that right now. All right. So this is very interesting, incredibly interesting. So, well, the 4 hours. Oh gosh, what did I do? I went to the weekly. Hold on. Let's go back to the 4 hours. So the 4 hours was showing us that the MACD is still bearish, but that there might be a reversal coming up, right? And this reversal might very well just be a huge change in the sentiment. You can see that we are very bearish right here for since 15 to about since around 15 October, right? When we were at 160, lots of people bought there. Since this point, we've gone down like it's amazing how much we've gone down until like now, right? It's a significant amount. Like wow. Look at that. 460 to 400. That is 60 points. That is I think that's the same amount we went down there. Almost the same amount, right? Very close. So this was a proper slow correction. We can see how slow it is because the MACD was negative for such a long time. We have a positive blip right there. If the markets wouldn't have corrected, this would have taken us to like 440, 450. But no, 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 the markets had to correct 3.5%. So that is unfortunate. Uh, but yeah, things happen, guys. So let's take a look at what is going to be happening next. So I still believe we're seeing a repeat of this little cycle here, this little cycle, and we'll have a bounce, very strong bounce to the upside. However, we can't say anything yet, so for now I guess we're gonna have to go with we're pretty much gonna see some sideways movement and then we'll bounce. So the MACD is low enough for us to bounce, but when is it going to bounce? We don't know that yet. So we'll see a little bit of sideways movement around this area of 408, 410, and we'll see a bounce after that coming up. MACD will go up, especially if the markets start going bullish again, which could very well happen. The futures are red right now. I can show you that. You can see that the futures are red. We're at 3,283 right now. At least that's what it's saying right now, and it's not looking too good for the S&P. That's about a percentage down. So let's go back to Tesla and hold on. I'm going to grab the brush. So what I could potentially see happen for the MACD for Tesla is this would be a potential bottom. We'll start slowly go back up, just like we went down. We'll slowly go back up. Same for RSI. Slowly go back up. Go to the overbought territory, right? Now I'm gonna draw this pattern on the 30 minutes very soon, and it's gonna look wonderful. I'm telling you, this is gonna look incredible. This is pretty much a nice buying opportunity. We did break the trend line, but usually when we break the trend line, we either go down to 390, 380, 370, or we bounce, right? And considering the fact that there is so much good news coming up, the S&P 500 inclusion news, the FSD news that is not priced in, nothing is priced in at this point because we've crashed about $60 points. I mean, we're pricing in a crash downwards. So it doesn't make sense to crash further. It's not like we just had another hype rally for something and then we crash. No, we're crashing right now because of the election, because of the uncertainty, because of many other aspects like the 30,000 cars that were recalled. That was a very negative news source, I guess, for Tesla, which took us lower as well. So the car quality also actually matters. Now I'm going to be going towards the daily, see what the daily has to offer for us. This is going to get very interesting. If the daily is bullish, then our case is closed. This is definitely going to rally. If the daily is bearish, well then that obviously means that we're going to go down. This is nice. This is very, very, very nice. I'm going to tell you why. So it looks like the 4 hours, right? We see that we have gone bearish. So we had gone bearish, right? This is the past. The past week has been bearish. The past month has been bearish. Last time that we were bullish, right? You can see we were bullish right here. We had a huge move to the upside, which was about 200 points. Now, I keep on saying that this period looks a lot like this period, right? And we can see why. Even the MACD looks similar. In terms of the structure of the MACD, we're going similarly downwards at a lower pace. It's a miniature, it's a smaller version of what happened right here. And we'll probably see a smaller bounce of this, possibly like 50% smaller than this bounce, but then around there. And that will take us above the $500. I'm going to check something real quick, guys. All right, so people are still watching. Okay, cool, cool. So what I want to check is this going to be a repeat? And I just keep on repeating this. Is this going to be a repeat of what we saw here? This is very interesting. We have very low volume, incredibly low volume. We had low volume right there. We had very low volume right there. Relatively speaking, you know, we had very low volume. And RSI is at the same level. RSI is at the same level. MACD, same structure, but then smaller. You see that? So I would say that this is most probably going to have a similar MACD as well. So then we would see a bounce just like that. Just like that, we would go up and we'll see a bounce. If I could draw this properly, you could see a bounce just like that. About 50% move. Okay, so that would be 130 points. So it will take us to about 540, and then we'll come back down, and then we'll make new highs and new lows on those levels. Trend line obviously goes like that. So yeah, I think this is highly likely. I'm telling you, S&P 500 inclusion expectations, full self-driving coming up. It is actually released, the beta, and it's actually really good. So this is incredible. On top of that, Q4 deliveries, Q4 earnings is going to be coming up. That's going to be priced in middle to end of November and possibly beginning of December. S&P 500 inclusion is going to be starting to get priced in as early as Friday, so today for me, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then we have the fact that Trump could win the election, which would be a 4 to 5% increase in the stock market's value for the next 2 to 3 weeks. I've checked the history of the stock market. Whenever a Republican wins that wants to decrease the taxes, the corporate taxes, we see incredible surges in the stock market. If Biden wins, then Tesla will get tax credits. They will get tax credits because Biden wants to stimulate green companies. So Biden wins, we win. Trump wins, we win. So Tesla will win. Okay, so we know that Tesla will win at the election, despite whichever candidate wins. So that's very positive. So that is also another confirmation of our bullish rally that's going to be happening very soon. We've got low RSI, we've got low MACD, we've got a repeat of what happened right there. Similar patterns occurring, and on top of that, elections are going to pan out pretty well for Tesla. So this is right now a buying opportunity. We're right now at 406, I believe. I think this is wrong, but yeah. So enough for the daily. I want to take a look at the 30 minutes and draw a pattern for Tesla on the 30 minutes and see where it's going to be going. This is going to get very interesting. Now I want to delete this because it's going to look very ugly on the 30 minutes. And we'll head over there and I'll tell you guys where I think Tesla will be going for the coming days, as I said. Okay, these are going to be deleted. And one more thing deleted. Now let's go to the 30 minutes. Here we go. So let's delete this one. Right. We want to summarize this in a proper manner. So, what did we just say, right? We just said 1 hour bearish. 30 minutes looking a little bit bearish. 4 hours about to go bullish. Daily about to go bullish, right? Stock markets are a little bit bearish. So I think we'll see a continuation of this bearishness for the short term. We'll hit the oversold, which would take us to around 404, possibly 402, right? Then we'll start moving up. RSI would start moving up as well. The price would move up as well. We'll go to the 406, potentially rally backwards to the 410. We'll see the RSI moving this way to neutral. MACD would keep going up like that. We'll skyrocket towards the 414, 415, go sideways, go back down to the 410, and then go back upwards to the $418 to around the $420, because we see a gap right there. It will probably get filled because it hasn't been filled yet. So we'll see the RSI rocket to the upside, and then once it gets filled, we'll see a little bit of a correction happening. And same goes for the MACD. MACD will go up on the short term. So bearish cycle, bullish cycle. This looks very ugly, but you get the gist. So from here onwards, we'll correct possibly back to around 418. Then we'll bounce back to $428 to $430. Now, this could happen either tomorrow or this could happen until Monday and Tuesday. So this is going to be very iffy. If the markets are bullish, then I could see this happen as early as tomorrow, right? This is going to be very, very important. Markets bearish, then we'll see this happen slowly towards Monday and Tuesday, and then we'll have a rally happening towards newer highs. No more bearishness, no more bearish momentum. We'll have breaking. We need to break through this, right? We need to break through that 414 because else we're never going to go back up. We're just going to keep going downwards. That would also probably be a market crash taking us down because I really, really, really don't see Tesla going below 400 at this point. We've already corrected super much, about 15%. And then on top of that, the all-time high is like right there, which is like, in comparison to the all-time high, we're about 23% down. That's significant. Usually Tesla doesn't go down this significant for a long term, so we do see big rallies to the upside. All right, guys, this was my analysis. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out the Patreon. Patreon link is in the description. It is right here. You can get many, many posts and updates and consultations and many, many more things at the Patreon. On top of that, guys, there's a Discord community. You can join it by clicking the link to the Discord server, which is also going to be in the description. Guys, this was Lose It Trading. I hope you have a very nice day, and I'll see you next time. Okay, so that was the analysis. Whew. How many people are watching? 77 people. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of people watching. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna do some stock analysis requests now. I'm gonna split the video. I'll upload this on the channel again, so make sure you comment down below which stocks you want to watch me analyze. So, well, that's a lot of comments. Lots of comments in the live chat. So, what stocks do you want me to analyze? Hit me down below in the live chat. Hit me down below in the live chat. Neo, Apple. Yo, please draw that bull flag. Like, most people don't even know what a bull flag is. Everybody's saying Neo. Oh my god. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Everybody's holding Neo. Guys, you gotta get out of there. This is what I already drew. I thought it would go sideways. That was my opinion. Oh, Look at that. Look at that bearishness. This is the 30 minutes. This is not even the 1 day. Ooh, that's bad. Let me check the 1 hour. That's not looking good. Guys, that's not looking good. 1 hour is bad. 4 hours is bad. 1 day, looking pretty bad. About to go bearish on the 1 day as well. I would get out of there. I would get out of there as fast as I can. Like, it could go to $40, but the downside is too high right now. So let me just delete one of these. Yeah, I mean, Neo it has some future potential. It's pretty nice. I like the stock, but right now, just right now, it's looking pretty bearish. Like, this could very well go down to like 29.6 and potentially to 28.2. This is like neutral. This is like the neutral mode. And with the futures coming down, like with the S&P coming down, that's going to be even more negative momentum for Neo to just correct massively. Like, it already went down to like 30.9. I mean, I personally shorted Neo from $32 to $30.8. Apple, Nvidia, Neo, please. Well, I'm already doing Neo. So it's either going to correct to the downside huge or it's going to go sideways. So there's not a lot of potential in this for the short term. It could also potentially correct huge to the downside around earnings. Neo and Apple. I'll check Apple right now. Yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. Like, I just can't, I just can't look at this and just. Okay, so I made a mistake where I did not think about the fundamentals when I was doing the technicals. I should have known this, but Apple did not. They did not put the iPhone 12 earnings, the iPhone 12 into the report. They're gonna do it in the next one. That is why their earnings was relatively weak. Well, it was strong, but it would have been stronger if the iPhone 12 was not delayed. So because of that delay, we see earnings being, yeah, it beat the estimates. However, in a normal scenario, it would have beaten the estimates by a large margin, and that caused the stock to crash significantly, which I should have known, but I was too busy uploading like 10 videos or 15 videos a day to look at the fundamentals. So I'm going to have to take more time to look at the fundamentals. I still believe the bull case is good. I still believe Apple is a good buy right now. I bought Apple at $109 right at the bottom. I would not lose hope. The technicals are pointing to a bullish reversal. So does the 1 hour. 1 hour is about to go bullish as well. I think the 4 hours was not so bullish. Yeah, 4 hours about to go bullish as well. So this is going to be very nice. 1 day is even bullish. So I wouldn't worry too much about Apple. Apple in its history didn't. I mean, it's one of the best companies in the world. Come on, what are we talking about, right? I mean, if you look at like Apple, how much it's down, that's 10%, 20%. It's about 20% down from its all-time high. Usually when Apple is down 20%, it starts rallying massively. Here it was down about, what is this? This was in March, right? So this was 20 points. So this was approximately 23, 25%, sort of comparable to what happened right here. We're also bouncing off of this trend line, and usually when Apple bounces off that trend line, at least since this correction right here, we bounce to higher highs. What happened there? Why is it crashing suddenly? Okay, cool. I'm going to look at a different stock right now. Apple is fine for now. Do you think Biden or Trump will be better for Tesla? I think both are going to be good for Tesla, so it's going to be fine. This is live. Yes, this is live. Pinky Racing asking that this is live. Sorry, zoom out to 4 hours. Draw the poll. Draw from the. Get on this. Yes, get on the Discord chat. The Discord is in the link or in the description. There's a link you can get here, and yeah, feel free to do so. Can we do Fastly? Sure. I was pretty bullish on Fastly because this is pretty much looking like it's bottoming. And guys, I don't like to get super deep into the technicals. Usually, when I go deep into the technicals, it's not entertaining. People start leaving. I've had a bad experience with that. I once talked about Elliott waves, and just literally 10 people left. So we would go. Yeah, this is bottoming. Like honestly, this is looking like a sweet bottom. Have you seen? Yeah, we've seen this before. This is nothing new. This is nothing new. This stuff happens all the time with Fastly. But then this would be a bigger version of what happened right there with this gap. We also had a gap right. That's not really a gap, but the same bearish movement, same structure. It looks so manipulated. What's the market cap? Yeah, 7 billion. Yeah, there we go. This is being manipulated by some banks. Always like these smaller stocks. I'm gonna show you another one. By the way, Fastly, pretty bullish so far on the daily, on the 4 hours, looking about gonna go bearish a little bit, gonna go sideways, but overall, it has a bullish trajectory. So Palantir, look at this. If this is not manipulation, I don't know what is manipulation, right? So what happened with Palantir is okay. So we had this huge move upwards, then we came down. Hold on. We came down, we went sideways. We have a huge move upwards, we came down just like that, sideways. We have a huge move upwards, we came down, same pattern there, and we're gonna have the same pattern there. So that looks so manipulated, so incredibly manipulated. This move, like 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one you can't count anymore, but it happened 3 times, and you could even consider this a similar pattern. But yeah, let's just it's become very messy. So let me just delete one of these. Right. All right. So I want to look at another stock for you guys. Can we do? DKNG. DraftKings. Okay, yeah, DraftKings is looking pretty good. I said the other time on the 4 hours, does look like we're about to see some bullish momentum soon. See what the 1 day is telling us. Yeah, 1 day is telling us the same thing. It's all gonna matter. Like if earnings is gonna be good, if the fundamentals are sound, if the fundamentals are sound on the 12th of November for DraftKings, then we'll see a surge to the upside, right? So I wouldn't worry too much. All right, guys. For the new people watching right now, my name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading. I analyze stocks technically, fundamentally, although I'm a little bit better at the technicals. And yeah, pretty much we're analyzing stocks right now. And if you would like me to analyze your stocks, then hit it up in the comments in a live chat. Put it down there. I'll analyze your stock. And on top of that, guys, make sure you check out the Patreon. Link is down in the description. You can support me there, and that would be awesome. Check out the Discord. The Discord link is in the description where I spam videos and people talk about finance and trading and investing. Make sure you join the Discord and check out the Patreon. Link is down in the description. Alright, so I want to get some more stocks to analyze. Intel's fundamentals. I'm wondering, what is Intel doing right now? Oh, that's not Intel. That is not Intel. Intel Corp. Yeah, I already pointed out to this gap, and this gap. Oh my god. I would consider Intel a buying opportunity, honestly. It's coming down to this bottom. This is pretty nice, actually. Like, if it bounces back, that would be a 50% move. If it bounces back. You know, we saw a bounce back in, I think this was March. So they'll have to fix up their whole company structure, or it's pretty much gonna go head down to like, let me just check, when were they lower? It could pretty much head back down to 30s, like to the 30s, pretty much, if this keeps going. However, so far they're oversold. I would say if the 4 hours is oversold as well, yeah, this is a buy. I would buy some. I would buy a little bit of Intel. Definitely. Neo. Everybody wants Neo. I actually already did Neo. Zoom, please. Zoom. Alright, cool. I'll get you guys some Neo first, because you're so eager, and then I'll go to Zoom. Yeah, as I said, Neo is dangerous. You want to stay away from Neo right now. Just for the short term, don't attack me. You want to stay away from Neo, because it looks like we're going to have a similar movement, right? Because we see a similar pattern. We have a huge move up, then we go down, and then we go sideways. Huge move up, then we go down, we go sideways. Huge move up, we go down, we go sideways. Huge move up, we go down, we go sideways. So you get what I mean, right? This has been happening every single, even right there. Huge move up, we go down, we go sideways. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see the same pattern. And the weird thing is that the pumps are becoming smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. So I think right around earnings, we could potentially see a correction. Don't attack me. I think we could see a correction. Neo is selling 40,000 cars a year, 50,000 cars a year, something like that. And they're valued at around 40 billion, 40, 50 billion. I remember that Tesla, so we're talking about Tesla here, you know, Tesla has worldwide domination over EVs. So I want to show you Tesla. Tesla had a market cap of 40 billion in 2019, and they were selling 300,000 cars. So Tesla selling 300,000 cars had a valuation of what NIO has at 50,000 cars. Now on top of this, Tesla had full autonomy. They were selling these batteries, or no, the power walls, you know, the solar city stuff was in Tesla back then. They were working on, well, let me remember. What was it? There was something super important. I can't remember it right now. Anyway, so I would say that Neo could potentially, like, it will go down 70%, no problem. No problem. This is everybody's saying Neo's going to go to $200. Well, I think they're only saying that because you'll watch that video. Because if I call this video Neo to the moon, $200 is going to be happening next week, everybody's going to watch it. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to tell you the truth. I think that this is going to correct huge. If it doesn't happen, good. I'm glad. I don't want it to correct. The technicals are telling me this is going to correct. And which technicals? Well, look at the daily. Overbought, right? MACD sky high. Sky high. I'm telling you. It could easily come back to $21. Easily. And then when it hits there, and the markets are bearish, we could even come back to $14. Why not? And it will go back up again. Tesla did this many times in its history. I think NIO is going to do the same thing that Tesla did back then. All right, let's see the hate comments right now. Oh, no hate comments? Nice. That's the first time I made a video about NIO talking about the negative side of it without getting hate comments. That's kind of nice. But yeah, we could correct towards, I think realistically speaking, $22, $21, maybe $19 to $18 after earnings. And we could still see a breakthrough towards $35, $40, you know. I'm gonna draw it for you right here. So breakthrough could still happen, guys. We would push before earnings to $40 and then we'll plummet. Just like that. That's what I think would happen. And the trend line would just come right along there and then we'll go back up again. So, yeah. Anyway, let's look at another stock right now. You know, I held NIO at $2 last year. It was around $2 to $3, I believe, which was right around there. And the fundamentals for NIO when it was at $2 were pretty similar. It didn't change that much. They delivered like 30% more, but the price didn't go up 30%. The price went up like 15 times. So you got to keep that in your mind. This was $2. This stock was $2 just a little while ago. It could correct easily. Which stock should I analyze now? NIO earnings are, I think it's the 10th or the 9th or 11th. Yeah, somewhere around there. Let me check. Earnings is going to be 10th of November. Tesla will definitely 10x in the coming 10 years, possibly. So which stock? AMD. Alright guys, I'm going to do AMD and then I will call it a day because it's 4 a.m. for me, so I'm pretty tired, right? I'm like super tired, you know, working my ass off. I don't see it as working. I really enjoy this, guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button to the stream because I'm working my ass off. I'm not working. I'm not working. What are you talking about? AMD is looking like we are bottoming. Yeah, pretty much. We're bottoming. That's all I gotta say. We'll probably go back to the all-time high, possibly breach through it, and then come back, and then go up again. Yeah, AMD's very bullish. Lots of room for the MACD, lots of room for the RSI. And yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get some really good rest. So people are saying Tesla. I literally just did a Tesla analysis. So you can like go back into the stream, and you'll see the Tesla analysis. Like right around the beginning of the stream, I did a Tesla analysis. That's what the title is of the video. So yeah. All right, guys. I want to show you my Patreon. So let me just go there right now. So if you want to support my channel, if you enjoy the videos so much, and if you want exclusive content, and if you would like to support my channel on top of that, you can get consultations, early access to the videos, many more things by supporting me on Patreon, guys. I am telling you, it would help out the channel, it would help out you, and it would be pretty awesome support. So these are the tiers you can choose, and yeah, that's pretty much it. The link is in the description. You can find it there, and you can donate anything you want. You don't have to donate. It's just a cool thing to be able to do. Discord link is also in the description, so make sure you join. There's about, I think it's about 200 people now. Wow, 210 people that were before you. They joined the Discord. You should join as well. We talk about trading, investing, about anything. This is just really fun to be in a community talking about this together. I'm out of breath. So, what was I gonna do? Okay, Microsoft to Snapchat, and I'll go to bed. I'm just gonna do the daily real quick. We're gonna go down like that, and then we'll go up. That's Microsoft. Oh my god, I'm so tired, guys. I'm so tired. Been like uploading crazy stuff. Yeah, Netflix is gonna go down, guys. Or Netflix, I mean Snap. Netflix actually went up significantly. I think Snap's gonna go down. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed this live stream, and if you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up right now. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel if you want to get an update whenever I go live again. Hit the notification bell that will get you to my live stream very fast. I will try to do live streams every single day, and I'll be uploading about 10 to 15 videos about the stocks you guys love, and I'll give you some guidance on that based off of the technicals. Guys, this was Lucid Trading. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, hit the thumbs up and check out the Patreon. Link is down in the description. You can support the channel there. Would really appreciate that. Also, link of this Discord is in the description as well. Alright guys, this was Lucid Trading. I'll be seeing you next time.